Alright, what we saying, lads? Nah, fuck this one. Turn the camera off. Alright, what we saying, lads? I'll just go over today. I didn't actually. Well, I did take a trade today, but I wasn't planning on trading just because, mate. I'm not being funny. You don't want to trade when you've got the government shutdown, no news on Monday, and a bank holiday on Monday. Fuck that. No chance. No chance will I ever be idealistically trading on a day like that. But yeah, coming into today, fucking, we had this new day opening gap. This is what my target. What? No, I'm not got washing to give you.
You don't have any washing to give me?
Not none. So yeah, I was fucking bearish coming into the day because we had this new day opening gap here. It never ended up getting traded towards, so there'll be a new week opening gap. For like Tuesday or fucking during the week, whatever. But yeah, I was bearish coming into the day, but we had this forward for a value gap here. So I was just on my phone when I was at work. I was just scalping. We had this forward intermediate low, and this forward for value gap here. You could probably just it's probably just a 1 hour low. 1 hour low. And we ended up on market open coming lower. So we had London high untouched as well. And then coming into market open, we opened lower, I'm sure. Yeah, this is 9:30 here, 9:30 here. So 9:30 was an open, low, high, close. So you can actually use open, high, low, close with 30-minute candles. I don't really use it. I'd only use it for like 9 a.m. because 9 a.m. is like normally a manipulation move. As well as this is a turtle soup. So if you don't know what a turtle soup is, then this is a turtle soup of this low here. So got turtle soup of this low. I think I've got turtle emoji. Yep. Turtle soup of that low. We took out this liquidity here. Reswept this low. But yeah. So 10 a.m. open low, high, close. Or not 10 a.m. 9:30. Don't know why I put 10 a.m. 9:30 open low, high, close. 9:30 a.m. open low, high, close. And yeah, so upon 9:30 open, we opened lower, tapping into this 4 hour again, and then turtle soup in this low here. So all a turtle soup is like, for example, say you're like in a downtrend, you make this low, and then you're trending up, whatever, and then you say like something like this, right? Say like this here is like London high, and above it you've got a fucking, I don't know, sun, an order block, right? And then we wick into this. Sweep, like tap into this PDRA. This would be a turtle soup, because all a turtle soup is it's just a manipulation move. So it's like you'll be trending whatever, you'll have a PDRA and liquidity resting above. It's either a PDRA or liquidity, it doesn't really matter, but it's when we like wick into it and then have nice displacement out of it. So I don't know, I'd only count a turtle soup if I wick, because if like, say this is the body here and the body closes above it, I just call it a soup of liquidity. I'd only call it turtle soup if it's fucking wicked into it and then displaced lower. But that's just my personal opinion. Although my personal opinion doesn't matter because it's just whatever it is. Anyway, so yeah, we turtle soup this low after tapping this forward. So we swept the intermediate low in the 4 for value gap. And then we ended up having this 5 minute for value gap within here, which would have been my condition. Yeah, which would have been my condition. So I had this as a condition because we also had an SMT at these these highs up here. So we had a bearish SMT here, and then we had this bearish SMT down here. But I didn't care about this bearish SMT up here because we still had London high intact, and we've created an SMT off delivering from this 4 hour. So we've turtle soup this low delivering from a 4 hour and created an SMT. This is a way more powerful SMT because we're delivering from something. Like this This one up here, this one I didn't really care about, because what are we actually delivering off? The only thing we're delivering off is this sweep of liquidity. I mean, we might have a 4 hour, a 1 hour. Nah, not even, we're not having a 1 hour. So we're not delivering off anything when looking at this inversion here. So why would I even, like, this one's way more prominent than this one. So I don't care about that anymore. And then I've obviously just got this buy side and London high is my draws and liquidity. So I was waiting for the inversion of this 5 minute fair value gap. We ended up getting it. I entered here off the close, and then had my TP at London high, and then I had my break even at this buy side level here. We ended up SMTing this buy side level, so it was this here. So yeah, so we ended up SMTing this off this candle here, this first candle. So I ended up just going break even off of the SMT ski, and then yeah, I just fucking obviously got stopped out because his price came down, break even and then closed a bit higher up there. So yeah, I'll actually explain open low high close from earlier as well. So when you're thinking about open low high close, so it's just the first 1 to 4 hour candle, and it just opens lower and then closes higher. So like, say for example this, and that, there we go. So let me just redo this actually. So open low high close. It's obviously not going to look as neat as this either, but this will. So different examples. So like, it's the first hourly, like the most recent hourly candle. So say that we've got this 10 a.m. This is 10 a.m. open, and we've accumulated before open, and then 10 a.m. opens lower. There's like a 89% chance that it's gonna close higher to create the wick for like the body. So say that the body's opened here. Let me get the box. Say the body's opened here, right? Obviously the body obviously always starts like this, and it'll either go up or lower. So say we open here, we push lower, right? And then we've not got a wick up here. To create this wick, price is gonna want to come higher, because when do you ever see a candle without a wick at top and bottom? Rarely ever. Like, tiny wick there, like you never ever see that. So if price opens lower, it opens lower like this, and then it will close higher, creating the wick on the bottom, and then coming back to create the wick at the top. So that's what open low high closes, and then that will look like something like this on the lower time frame. So it'll be like accumulating before, we'll open like here, we'll open lower, and then we'll close higher to create that wick, and then we'll close somewhere around here, have created that wick on both sides, if that makes sense. Let me bring that over here. And then obviously it's just vice versa for like the other way. So it'd be like accumulating whatever. Accumulation never looks nice. Oh shit. And then we open higher and then close lower, if that makes sense. And then that'll look like, that one's so fucking messy. That looks something like, so we say we open here, open higher, and then close lower, close like here, and then we made a wick up to this side, and then a wick down this side. But basically all you need to know is that if a prominent 1 hour candle opens higher, there's a 90 or an 89% chance that it will close lower to create this wick, and then vice versa. If it opens lower, it's gonna close higher to create the wick that needs to here. So there's a wick on both sides, if that makes sense. So that's all you really need to know about open low high close or open high low close. I'd just pay attention to like the 1 hour candles or 9:30 open, like the 30-minute 9:30 open, because that can be used as a good comp. And then obviously 10 a.m. is a very prominent one. Just like your key opens and just hourly forward opens is like kind of what you're wanting to look at when looking at open higher, low close, open low high close. My throat's a bit sore, so I might just sound a bit like what's the word? Fucking don't even know. Don't even fucking know. I mean, we could play the rest of today, just see if there was anything else that we potentially could have taken. But I can't lie, this looked like the best trade out of like the whole session, and it was right upon open. So I don't know. Nothing else actually looked very good to me, to be honest. 10 a.m. open low, high close, inverse 5 minute. Like that. This is gorgeous. This is actually a gorgeous setup. I don't think there was really anything else after this. Equal lows here on ES. So, oh shit. Oh well, fuck it. I'll just scroll through it. Oh, is this all that happened? Oh. Yeah, there's nothing really to take then, is there? There's fuck all. Because London High still intact, so you're not going to short this fucking move. Fuck that. Longs off of this. I don't know if are these equals or what. Yeah, they're little equals. So no SMT. Yeah, I don't know. This is the only good move today. So yeah, fuck that. Press buy right now, guys. It'll get to London High. I'm telling you. Watch. Watch. I'll push up. Easy. Easiest buy of life. See? That's how you make money, chat. So you make money. Just wait for price to go right close to London High and press buy. Nah, but yeah. You can see I took it on here. I got break even, $50 for the day, or it's $40 for the day or something. So yeah, chill and trade. Anyway, in a bit. Fucking see you fucking tomorrow for some good PA.